In today's video, we'll be checking out the Thompson Zihuatanejo in Ixtapa, Mexico. This property is only an hour away from Mexico City, making it a perfect addition to your Mexico City visit or as a standalone trip. If you enjoy these types of videos, please give it a like and consider subscribing. The property is only 15 minutes from the airport, and a taxi will run you about 700 pesos or about $42 at the time of this video. The prices are fixed based by zone, and you can purchase the voucher inside the airport. This stay was booked with a combination of Amex Fine Hotels and Resorts credits as well as Hyatt free night certificates. Thanks to my globalist status and the FHR booking, I was upgraded from a base king room to a lagoon suite with plunge pool. This room comes with two decently sized closets fitted with multiple drawers and an in-room safe. The bathroom is to the right and has a rainfall shower and window looking out to the plunge pool. The king bed is situated in the center of the room with the classic Thompson hotel bedding. There is a sunken living room area with a couch, a couple of chairs, and a desk to get some work done. There's also a mini fridge with alcoholic drinks as well as some free water. Right outside the living room is a decent sized patio with your plunge pool and a couple of options for seating. There's a family pool that is fairly quiet and sits next to one of the two on-site restaurants. Senzia is the wood-fired restaurant, which is only open for dinner. Senzia has multiple seating areas, and the prime location would be the ones on the beach. There is a gym, however it's pretty small and could get crowded. I only saw about 3 people in there at once, and it wasn't too bad. Breakfast and lunch are served in the main restaurant, Hao. The menu mainly consists of small tapas-style dishes to pick and choose from. For breakfast, I had a fruit plate, cappuccino, as well as steak and eggs. For lunch and dinner, I tried a couple of different tacos and some ceviche. All the meals are pretty solid overall, but nothing mind-blowing. The beach was never super crowded, and there was no need to rush and put your towel down to claim a chair. Once you picked your spot, a server would come and place the towel and chair cover down for you, and you could place orders by raising the flag at your cabana. Service was pretty good and it never took too long to deliver food or drinks. Overall, I think this was a great stay and will certainly come back. If you stayed here before or somewhere similar, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.